We're on a quick overview of how to find tokens, of how to find meme coins on Solscan. Now, what are we going to do now? When you get down, you look at visit token dashboards. Here it is. And you look at visit DeFi dashboards. You click on it. Now, this leads you directly to where you can find new launches. Here, you have the market maker Jupiter, automated market maker. What is a market maker? Market maker is a platform that connects buyers and sellers. Like what happened during the stock time. So there were market makers that connected buyers and sellers of stock. So Jupiter actually connects buyers and sellers of cryptocurrency on Solana. So now this is it. These are people that are trading here and what they are buying and selling. You see, someone sold token withdrawal vault, someone sold popcat. So if you stay here long enough, you're going to see new transactions that are coming in. And okay, now he bought Anna. And if this is actually depicting, this is 130,000 market cap, current supply 1 billion on GMG, and he bought Anna. So now looking at this, now you're going to see what people are actually doing here, how many people are buying the Anna and for what price they are buying. So if you look at, okay, this is Rappler, so token Rappler, you can copy the CA and still check it out on one of the places you use for your transactions. So when you get to the token, you see it's on meme and pump fund. So social channels, you have Bedeye, and it's on 103,000 market cap. So here people are buying for as high as $128. You can do your research, do your due diligence before aping into this token. But you get to see transactions real time on chain because if you are here and with your scanning tools and everything, you could catch a runner, possibly. So now see someone got said 3 million sunk, and I think with a low price though, Dodge Space. Now looking at these stickers here, they are on looking at these stickers here, they are on Jupiter. So now you want to check out Radium. If you want to, you can check out Pump Fund. These are other market makers where you can check out people and check out real-time trading and what is going on actually on the crypto space. So this is Radium. Let's check Radium. But Jupiter is kind of more likely to have those transactions and all. Okay, now look at it. You see someone bought 5,000 UFD for 0.8 sold. Okay, refreshes real quick. Now look at Michi, Retardio. These are tokens people are buying in real time. So if you can be active enough, Memecoin is all about fastness. I think there are some bots like the Peppermint that you can connect directly to this place that scans for popular tickers. Like this one now, you have seen more than 2 transactions. If it is not okay, it's the same wallet. Okay, this one I've seen this like this Capio. I've seen it twice here. So looking at this now, if it's not the same transaction that is executing these ones, if it's not executed by the same wallet, you should wonder why these people, all of them are buying this. You understand? So let's just click on it and check. Okay, it's out again. So now this is just it. You can find real-time tokens here. You understand? So it's actually places where you can find it and make the best out of it. We can change it to Pump Fund real-time launches. But most times I prefer Radium or Jupiter because Pump Fund tokens are actually very rough. So this is new Pump Fund token swap. People are buying this. So you check. It's on 16k market cap, GMGN. So this is it. And you check the volume and what people are putting into it. Someone puts 135, someone puts 300. So on a normal time, you copy this, scan it, go to where you trade with. You have your photon, you have where you scan to know the holders. You can as well check on your Twitter, and you can just impute the stuff like this, and then you see what people are saying about it. No one is really talking about it, but it doesn't matter. If you check it and they've paid for DEX, and the dev hasn't sold, at least it's holding a fair quantity and it is not bundled, you can ape. That's Memecoin for you. No one actually explains the role of luck enough in Memecoin because it's all about luck.